Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world.
Hi, welcome to my world. Today we're going to be talking about Kaolin Clay. The clay is for mask or body wraps. It can also be mixed with herbal tea, vinegar, or put into the bath. Now, I bought this white Kaolin clay off of eBay. I'm not for sure how much it cost, but it wasn't very much, maybe about $20. It's a lot of clay. Today we're going to be making a deep cleansing facial mask. And the recipe calls for 6 teaspoons of hot water, which we have in the bowl. It also calls for a drop of lavender, or 2 drops of lavender. There we go. A little bit more than 2 came out. We want to do 1 drop of lemon oil. And we're going to mix enough clay so that we have a paste. We're going to add our clay to the water. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to explain a couple of things about what the properties of kaolin clay is. I don't want to add too much. Now, kaolin clay detoxes the skin and also removes dead skin. You can apply it to your muscles, to cuts, aches, boils, and inflammation. For an example, now I added it to a boil I had that was reoccurring, and after applying it a couple of times, I have not seen that boil return at all. So it's wonderful. It's very good for that. It enhances blood circulation. You can add it to lotions. And you can also, like I said, add essential oils, which is what we're doing. That's a lot of water, so it's going to take a lot of clay. But the good thing about this clay is you can always store it. You can store this into a jar that's sealed airtight, and you can also go back to using this mask, this clay, more than once. So this batch can be used several times. And I smell the lavender oil coming off of it. It smells wonderful. Now, I would also like to say that you don't have to actually follow this recipe, because I would not have added so much water. I've made several batches of this before, and I've not added so much water. I'm following a recipe from another source, but you can I like for my consistency to have a little bit thicker than this, but I'm sure if you applied this right now it would still make a mask, but I want to apply just a little bit more. There's plenty of clay here, so there's no problem of running out. And this mask can be used several times because there's a lot here. So I think we're getting to the consistency what I like, which is kind of a thickness to it. I also have out the tea tree oil, which is something that this recipe doesn't call for, but I like to add it for myself because it's going to break down any acne, kill any bacteria on the skin. It has its own properties in itself, so it's going to enhance this solution. So we want to add just a little bit of tea tree oil to our mix. I think that's going to do it for the clay. A couple of little drops of the tea tree oil. And we'll continue to mix it. Now, after you've come up with your concoction, your mix, you want to apply this to the face after you've washed it. Let it dry like a normal facial, and then just rinse it off. And that's it. I'm going to apply just a little bit to see. It feels good. The warmth of the water. You want to get in all these last lines. I normally get in all my last lines. And get the neck. Please get the neck. It tightens up all that skin. And it feels wonderful. And it's going to draw out any impurities. It's going to detox your skin, remove dead skin. You can apply it to your muscles. Any aches, cuts, boils, inflammation. It enhances your blood circulation, so it's going to just make you just shine once you take it off. So I hope this was a good recipe for you, and I hope you enjoy it. And that's going to come. This is a nice texture, actually. It's not too thick. So once this dries, I believe this might be a great texture. So you can stick with this recipe if you like. But anyway, I hope you like this short video on Kaolin Clay, and it's Kaolin Clay. And you can get it off of eBay, and I'm sure from any health food store. So until next time, love and peace.